welcome to the Crafty Pixie. I'm Bee. Thanks so much for stopping by. Really means a lot. Let's get straight into business. If you like the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload every Wednesday. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below. I can't wait to hear from you. So today it's going to be a quick little tutorial. It is fall, my favorite time of year. It also means back to school. Now, for some people, kids are actually going back to school. For some people, kids are being homeschooled or virtual schooled. I've homeschooled my oldest. This is the third year now. So we pretty much have a routine down and everything, but she is notorious for losing her bookmarks. Absolutely notorious. And then she sticks a crayon or a pencil or something in to keep her place, and it drives me crazy. So this year I decided I was going to make her and her sister a little gift. So they have something when they do their schoolwork. It's bookmarks. But not just any bookmark. These are bookmarks with elastic on them. So they're great for any thickness book. You know, if you have like really thick book or you have a thinner book, long books, shorter books, it's the perfect size. I mean, the elastic stretches really, really well. You can go and get, you know, normal elastic, or you can get, they have like colorful ones or ones that have like not glitter but sparkle in them. But this is the elastic that I had on hand, so this is what I did. So this is for my oldest one, and then this is for my youngest daughter. Mermaids and unicorns, that's you can't go wrong with these two things for these kids. But anyway, so I'm gonna go step by step and show you how I do these bookmarks. If you have any suggestions on any videos that you would like to see or anything, let me know. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. I really enjoy hearing from you guys. So let's get to materials and get started. All right, for this video, you're going to need a few items. You're going to need 2 pieces of cotton fabric measuring 2.5 by 8 inches. Then you're going to need a firm sew-in interfacing. I'm using Pellex 70. It's going to be 1.5 inches by 7 inches long. Then you're going to need elastic. You can go and get the pretty colored elastic. I just had this elastic on hand, and it's measuring 12 inches long. Of course, you're going to need clips or pins. And then you're going to need this handy seam guide if you have one. If not, you can use a normal ruler. I just find this so much easier. So let's get started. Sorry about the noise. My neighbor has decided right now would be a great time to mow his lawn. And I'm filming in a different location today, so I apologize. All right, so first what we're going to do is we're going to fold in 1/4 inch on each side of both of our pieces of fabric, and we're going to iron it down. This is going to allow our edges to be finished really well. Oh, I did that really good. Okay. If you want, you can eyeball it. You don't have to be perfect with this. Like I always say, there's no such thing as perfect, but I like to have it as sharp as possible. And like I said, this is just normal cotton. You can use, this is a great scrap buster. You can use pieces of a fat quarter, anything like that. My oldest daughter is notorious for losing bookmarks, so I think this is going to be a great fix for that. All right. Now that that is done, we're going to put these right sides together, like so. And we're just going to clip along the long edges. We're not going to clip the sides. Again, you can use as many clips or pins as you want, or as few. All right, and then you're going to take this over to the sewing machine. And we're going to sew at a 1/4 inch seam allowance, 2.5 millimeter stitch length, and we're going to go all along the sides, all along the long sides. Okay, you're going to back stitch really well at the beginning and at the end because we are going to flip this right side out. So I'm going to go to the sewing machine, I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. All right, now that we have done that, what we're going to do is we're going to pull it right side out. And the way I like to do that is I literally put my thumb in and pull it all the way to the edge, hook it through, and then just push. It's a pretty good size hole, lots of room to turn it around, so you shouldn't have too much of an issue. Roll those seams. All right, then you're going to take it and you're going to press it. Just like that. And then we're going to take our interfacing and we're going to slip it right in the center. This adds some stability in there so that when it's attached to the book, it's not flopping all over the place. See, make it nice and sturdy there. And then when you top stitch the top and the bottom, it'll stay in there nice. It's not going to move around on you. Okay. And then you're going to take your elastic, which does have quite a bit of strength. So I'm not seeing too much of an issue attaching it to different size books. So that's a really good thing. And then you're going to come in and you're going to place it about 1/4 of an inch in. You don't want it to not be able to stay, okay? And you're going to do that to both sides. try to center it if you can. I mean, it's not a huge deal. That's kind of where my OCD comes into play though. All right, and then we're gonna clip it. Just like that. And then you're gonna come wrap it around and do the same thing on the other side. You're gonna clip. Just like that. All right, and then you're gonna take it over to the sewing machine and we're going to top stitch. Now you can top stitch all 4 sides if you want. You can just top stitch so that you seal the elastic in, whichever one you prefer. I'm gonna top stitch all 4 because I think it makes it look more complete. But I'm gonna take it to the sewing machine, top stitch, 1/8 inch seam allowance. When you get to the elastic, you're gonna back stitch really well over it so it doesn't doesn't unravel when you're pulling it on and off books and everything like that. And then of course back stitch at the beginning and at the end. Make sure that when you are sewing that you remove the elastic out of the way so that you don't accidentally sew it to the project, because then you'll have to like remove it and all that craziness. So I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine, I'm going to top stitch it, and then I'll be right back. All right, once that's done, this is what it's going to look like. I just love these. All right, and then we're going to take it and we're going to press it a final time just to seal those stitches. All right. And voila, you are done. You got a cute little fabric scrap buster. Oh, I love it. And this is for book lovers of all ages. This would make a great stocking stuffer, Christmas gift, birthday gift, back to school gift, anything like that. So there you go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload every Wednesday. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment in the comment section down below. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Until next time, see ya!